morning, everyone. Thank you so much for stopping in today. I have this package here, a little PR pack. I figured I would bring this one all by itself. And inside what I have, get rid of the bag, I have two products, and they are from iMethod Beauty. So generous of them to send me more products. This first one is a lip plumper kit. So I don't know. Plump, fill, and lift, it says on the side. I don't know if there's two in there or one, since it says a kit. And then this one is from iMethod Beauty He Blushed, and that's in a nice little tin. So I do have my little hand mirror. This one is from Lorella that I will be using. I have a brush so that I can put the blush on. This is from SL Miss Glam. I'll use this one. It is a blush brush. This is Round Blush P40, I think it is. Nice brush. I have some wipes because I have a gloss on. So I'm just going to open these real fast. Like I said, so extremely kind of iMethod Beauty to send. They wanted to send me one, and I said, look, I can't choose because I like both. So I said, whatever one you want to send, pick it and send it to me. And they sent me both. So I think that was pretty cool of them, and very generous. I know you guys are getting flooded with iMethod Beauty, and I know a few of you have commented like how smart of them to send it to all kinds of, I'm just going to get rid of this trash, to send it to all these influencers, and big, small, it doesn't matter. I mean, I keep on dropping everything. You know, the more eyes on their products, the better. And I think they're doing a great job. So I have a little sheet here. I do believe these come from Amazon, so you can find them on Amazon. I will look these up and put prices. So let's do the blush. Let's open this up. Oh, so it's a blush stick right here. And this says, so I take it out, and it is a blush stick. I do believe. Yeah, this end has a brush, which I won't use just because to try to clean that might be a nightmare, but to take away, it will be fine. And this says 03 Spicy Girl Matte Rose Nude, and I don't know if that's going to focus or not. I don't know if I have to come in closer. Okay, and this is the color right here. It's a pretty, pretty color. I will put some on my hand so we can see it. Ooh, that's kind of bright. It's a little bright. So I have the mirror. I'm going to put some on my brush, just right there. I'm not going to put a lot, as you can see. I don't have any blush on. I will pull off my lip gloss. And I'm just going to, I generally start from the back and come up, just because I don't like to deposit a ton of color on the apple. And then we'll just blend. I figured let's save the blush for this. Probably would have used my Anastasia. Just blend that in back there. Oh, there goes the, normally my hair is back when I'm doing this. Probably should put it behind my ear. Put a little bit more on the brush just to get this side a little bit better. I know for camera you have to go a little deeper so you can see it, but and then I'll blend it out with my beauty blender. I take it back. I know I usually start in the back and come forward. This way I'm not putting too much on the cheek. Sometimes I do go across my nose a little bit there, wherever the sun might drop some blush. I mean, you can see that. That looks really pretty. We'll blend that a little bit better. Sometimes it grabs a little texture in my T-zone, so it grabs it. That's really pretty. I like that a lot. And you do get quite a bit. Just going to show you without it. Okay, so that's what you get. I mean, that'll last a long time doing it using a brush like this. You could put it directly on your face. I generally do not. I usually just grab a brush and apply it, and then you get a little info card. you know, here, if you want to get a slim face, widen your face, soften your angles, get a natural look. I mean, they give you a little instruction kit. Plus, I think the tin, I mean, I doubt I'll keep it in the tin, but I could save this tin and put like tweezers in it or small like brow products. So that's that from them. Let's get the brush out of the way. And then we have from them lip plumper. Let's open this up and see what we have here. Well, there are two. Let's see if I can get you out. Oh, they're clear. What is the difference? Is there a difference? Oh, like I'm going to be able to read that. There's two of them in here. And I cannot see. This is what I see right here. There are two. One is like a goldy bronze top and one is silver. I can't read what the bottom says. Would have to get my magnifier. Day and night. What is this one? I think they both say plumping. So I don't know if there is a difference or it's just different packaging. So I do have a little bit of a gloss on. So what I'm going to do is make sure I brought some wipes out. Let me get this off my hand here so it doesn't wind up all over. And let's take the gloss off. It's just a little bit of Tarte gloss. Okay. Today is Monday when I'm filming this, and we are going to have like the worst storm possible. Thunder, lightning, high winds, like tornado-like winds. So this morning, everything was being put away, all the chairs, secure everything because high winds could blow stuff around. So I'm just going to give this one a try and see. I don't know. I mean, hopefully it's just like the others. And it's just a little doe foot. Okay, so it's on. It's just a clear, which is good because then this could be worn on top of a mat. All right. I can feel a little tiny little bit of tingle. You may experience a slightly intense tingle that can last up to 5 to 10 minutes. Apply only in perimeter of lips. If applied on skin, a temporary redness may occur. If any discomfort is present, remove and discontinue use. Keep away from children. Designed in New York, iMethod Beauty. List the ingredients. I mean, it's cute. I wish they were like these were color, like the other lipping plump gloss. I can feel a little tiny bit of a tingle, and when I say little tiny bit, I mean little tiny bit. Nothing crazy. I'm just going to blend this a little bit more so that it's good for the day. I really don't think it's all that bad. I always hit the high spots of my face where the sun would hit. I know people are bringing it. Sometimes they're using blushes under their eye because usually blushes are like that reddish pinkish tone, and that will help with dark, putting that underneath the concealer. So there's all kinds of ways to use blush these days. I don't do that, but okay. I mean, I really don't feel that much. Little tingle. I don't know what the end result is going to be. So rather than stay here for 5-10 minutes, I'll be back after 10 minutes. So it's been about 10 minutes since I put the lip plumper on. The tingling got a little bit more intense than the other lip plumper that I tried that was like a colored lip gloss, but nothing that I would be like, whoa, this has got to come off. You know, just that, more like that whole minty, cinnamon, menthol-y, like tingle that you get. My lips are decent, They're not wonderful, but trust me, I have lines in them, and I'm starting to get all the lines on my face. And I noticed my upper lip is not as full as it was, obviously, when I was in my 20s and my 30s. I think these type products, I mean, they work. I can see a slight difference, and a slight difference is still better than zero difference. I think something like this would work phenomenally if you're struggling with a little bit of a thinner lip, because it will plump it where you'll see more of a difference. And if you're, you know, I mean, since these are like clear glosses, which some days that's all I really want to wear. A lot of times I prefer a colored gloss, so I would wear the other one that I received. And I have not tried this like over top of matte lipstick, where I usually would put a gloss on top. So I would hope that it would still penetrate and do the same, you know, do the same thing, give a little bit of a plump, and it's not sticky, like my hair's not getting stuck in it. It's very comfortable to wear. So, like, it's been just about the 10-minute mark, because it said 5 to 10 minutes, just about the 10-minute mark. I barely even feel any tingling or anything like that. And I would try this over a matte and see if I get the same result. So I think both of these products are wonderful. A big thank you to iMethod Beauty for sending these out to me for me to try and show on the channel. Greatly, greatly appreciate it. I'd love to try some of their like brow defining pens and things like that, but they're not up for to be sent out to influencers. But it's like the marker pens that have the 3 like tips that you can fling, you know, where you can actually do hair like things. As soon as that comes available, I would love to try that. I had one from Laura Geller years ago that was a 3 point brow, and it worked phenomenally, especially in the center. I didn't care so much for the rest of my brow, but in the very center where you want the hair-like look or strokes, I think looks better, looks more natural. But and I think she just makes it where it's just the 1 marker, which is still fine, but I like the one with the 3, and iMethod has one of them. So either I'll buy it from Amazon, or I will wait until they're ready to send them out for us to try. So I will leave the pricing for both these products down in my description box. Thanks for watching. And once again, a big thank you to iMethod Beauty. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. And I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye-bye now.